What is up, Earthlings? Welcome back to Terrestrial Tech. To all my Earthlings out there, wish you a happy new year. May this year bring an abundance of happiness, success, and blessings your way. Let's get slicing. These are the Fio FT1 over-ear headphones. They are more of a studio headphones because their EQ is closer to the Harman curve, which is the standard EQ curve, although they do have a little bit more bass and treble. They cost about $150, less or same. And as you could tell through the box, we have the black walnut version here today. Now the difference between studio headphones and regular headphones is that studio headphones have more of a flat frequency response, which means they would give you more of the original sound of the recording. On the other hand, regular headphones or any other kind of headphones would have a colored soundstage. That means their bass or treble would be boosted. Now, for my ambitious Earthlings out there that want more bass and treble, you can always add a custom EQ on these to get the desired effect. And if you want it just straight out of the box, you can buy headphones that have such EQs like these Fio FT1s.
An unboxing video where he doesn't know how to open a box.
Mind you, this is my first time as well, so I do not know what to expect. Wow, so we do get a nice headphone case along with it, which I think you would definitely expect for at $150. The case itself has a nice premium feel to it, with a shining bronze look. Definitely they went with the theme here, they did not miss a thing. Then we have the paperwork. Let's not bore you with that. And this looks like it would be a box for cables. I'm not really sure. It's dark. Okay, moving on. Let's get straight into it, shall we? ASMR. Ooh, wow. Not what I expected. They look much more premium than I thought. I don't know why I thought they weren't. Have the wood texture on it, which is quite cool looking. Oh, and the metal bands. Not the bands, the sides. And obviously this thing moves. You can adjust it. The top seems quite, flexible, and sides have this adjustable height thing, which is good. It usually helps, a lot. But you can't exactly, hear the clicks. I feel like you just feel it, so I'm not sure how that plays out. We have also a few cables here. This seems to be a TRS, and then we also get the adapter thing. Oh, and we get this amazing stuff. They actually help with moisture. And then we have another cable. Yep, this is a TRRS. But yeah, keeping everything aside, come to the main star of the show. We have the Fio FT1s, and the sponge on the side is actually quite decent. For a first time, it is $150, and even at the top we get the sponge, rightfully so. But still, it is quite heavy for, what I expected. I don't know what I expected, but definitely not this premium feeling. And yeah, there you have it. I haven't really tested it, but once I do, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and hope to see you around. Peace out.